Namaste. I welcome you to Bhairavi Parekh's Yogshaala. So take this TheraBand around your right foot, hold the band from the close proximity, and now push your toes away and back. Toes in front and back. One, back. Do we all get this? Two, and back. Three, and back. Four, back. Five, back. Six, take a pause and back. Seven, back. Eight, stay. Back. Nine, back. On the count of 10, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My spine is upright. 7, 8, 9, and relax. Change. Other side. नज़दीक से पकड़िए. चलो. Start with your left foot. 1 and back. Please go आराम से. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 5, back. 6, back. 7, back. 8, back. 9, back. And stay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. जितना हो सके उतना पॉइंट करो. जितना हो सके उतना करो. Allow your calf muscles, your ankle to get open up and relax. Breathe nicely. Now, if the band is on your left leg already, अभी क्या करना है? दोनों स्ट्रिंग को ले लिया अपने साथ में. होल्ड इट इन योर राइट हैंड. अपने राइट फुट को बैंड के ऊपर रखो एंड जस्ट मूव योर लेफ्ट एंकल sideways. Do not bend your left leg. 1, 2, 3. This is mobilizing your ankle joint. 4, 5. जितना हो सके उतना लेके जाओ. 7, 8. Stay there. 9. And no, Chetan, you are going very fast and coming back fast. And the 10th, stay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and back. TheraBand around your right foot. अभी दोनों स्ट्रिंग को लेफ्ट हैंड में ले लो. अभी अपना लेफ्ट पैर को पुश करो. अंदर से बाहर पुश करो. आर वी क्लियर सो फार? यस. नाउ टेक योर राइट एंकल. अपनी जान लगाओ खोलने के लिए. देयर इज अ रेजिस्टेंस नाउ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and on the count of 10, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and relax. Breathe nicely.